Okay. So I think you guys remember when we are discussing about the Tableau workspace. So we told you on each and every menu bar also where the new data source will come. So this is also where you can just go and connect to the data set, and you can go to data and click on new data source and select that Excel file what you are taking, and you can just connect it, and it will come like an on the same first page. So when you the moment you will connect to any data set, it will come. And now this time you just go on drag and drop the second data set, and you can go to the sheet, and now you will see the two data sets here. Okay, so if you want to do the blending, so you need to connect the data sets in this way. Okay, and I think you guys remember how the joins we will do. Okay, so it's like so we will just go to this data source page, and here if you go and open it, so you will open one pop-up here, and in this you will drag and drop the secondary data set, and you will do that joins. Okay, so now for your reference, so let's just check this cross tab joins here. So I think yesterday we missed, I mean, so we forgot to tell about this cross tab joins. So cross tab joins is something like I have added this. So maybe, okay, this is data set 2 only. I just dragged down. 1 second. I'm dragging out the second data set. And now let's say you have one more data set. Okay. Maybe I'll take this only. Mm, So for this, maybe let me just consider. So actually this is nothing but the cross tab join. Okay. So using one data set, you will be doing the multiple, I mean like, so you have here you have done like an inner join, and you have done like an left outer join. And I mean like so this is cross tab. It's like an individually you are connect, so you are considering one as a primary data set, and you are connecting to multiple data sets. And at the same time, it's not something that everything has to come from the one data source. Okay, so now we have one table which is like a joins here, and we are considering it. But maybe you might get the data from the another data sets also. Okay, so like if you click add, and you can get the data from different databases and things, and that information will be showing up here. So that time you can just drag and drop them, and you can use this as an cross tab join also. I mean, actually, you can actually consider that as a cross tab join. Like, so when you do like an between the two different data sets. So one is Excel and one is a SQL Server, or one is SQL Server and one is Oracle, or like an individual different databases you have connected. And if you drag and drop and join them here, so that is nothing but the cross tab join. So right now, how that joins will work. So maybe, so you are considering one as a primary data set, and doing the join bit the other data sets, like an whatever you may add three more or four more also, and do that. Okay, so that will give you like an a cross tab join, so where one primary data set and the rest all will consider like an secondary data sets. Okay, so this is about the joins and blending. So you guys have to do lot of practice in it to understand this very clearly. So I'm telling you again why, because so maybe I don't know whether you guys have created the data sets or not. So I will send two data sets to you guys. Um, Maybe you can just go through them, or maybe if you'd like to create on your own also, I'm fine. So I'll be sending two data sets to you guys. So just create the joins and data blending. So based on those two, and then you will understand how the join is working and how the blending is working. Then once you understood it, so then we'll go to the next one. Okay, so I think if you understood these concepts or the data source level page, so then we can go ahead for the next topics like creating the visualizations and things. Why? Because these are the major things in data source page. So you should, why? Because it's not a fact that every time you will get like an individual data set and you will just create connect and do the visualization. Okay, so you should always keep in mind that you will be connecting to multiple data sets and you need to combine them either of the way like blending or join anything. Okay, so do you guys have any doubts?